My name is Tom Siwi. I'm one of the co-founders of Slideways and currently the CEO. Our motto is we reduce friction. And when we say we reduce friction, what we're trying to say is not only do the components we build for our customers reduce friction between a chain or a belt or a shaft and a bearing, but we're also trying to reduce friction in their operation. So that might be through ease of purchase, which you'll find on our new website. It could be through meeting a tight delivery schedule or just communicating with them on their project, trying to figure out what that best solution is going to be for them. The problem we saw with the website was just a matter of age. It looked old-fashioned, it was time, and it really wasn't interactive at all. Our customers could download a copy of the catalog, they could read some stories about case studies, but there really wasn't any interactivity that would help them solve their problems or ease their ability to find the part that they're looking for. Xzito has the ability to take a project from start to finish. They are very good at making sure the client is doing their end of the bargain, holding up their part of the deal to make sure things follow the schedule. Some good gentle prodding there along the way, and that just made us very comfortable with the whole process. First things that Xzito does is complete what they call a strategy phase. The strategy phase required doing some interviews of current customers to see what their likes, dislikes are of our services. Once we knew who our customers were, we were then able to develop a strategy on how to better approach them. One of the primary benefits of working with Xzito was getting the background. Why are we doing this? Why are we developing the persona? Or why are we using a particular app or tool in the build stage to get things done? They do a very good job of explaining what's going on and helping you through the process. One of the great benefits of this new website is that we're able to get on the phone with the customer. I'll direct the customer to a part number or to click through to a certain section of the website. We're actually able to, right there on the phone, compare dimensions, look at applications, discuss operating environment, and make sure we've got the right part for them. We are experts at machining plastics and selling conveyor components. They're experts at the digital side of the marketing. I thought Xzito did a great job working with a B2B company like ourselves, and I would recommend any B2B company to look at their services and give them a shot at your project.